Hello children, today we will be studying the practical number 6, study of suspended particulate matter in air at the two widely different size in your areas. So the aim of the experiment is to study the suspended particulate matter on the leaves collected from different areas. Now the requirement will be slides, cover slip, earbuds, unwashed leaves, washed leaf and glycerine, and to observe the particulate matter on the leaf, microscope. For this we will have to take two leaves. These both the leaves are from the same plant. You can see the difference. This leaf has been washed very nicely with the tap water, and this leaf is not washed. You can see this leaf is very covered with dust, and we will be observing it by spreading glycerine on it. So we will have to put the glycerine, take the glycerine, put 2-3 drops of glycerine on the leaf. Yes, okay. Now take the clean earbud and spread that earbud. Keep the leaf down and spread it, not so much. Spread so that it is, and keep the earbud on the leaf itself. Keep it. Now take the glycerine and pour on the leaf which is not washed. Yes. Put more glycerine. A little more. Yes. Now completely spread it. Don't let it go out. You keep it inside only. Scrub type. Give a scrub on it, on the leaf. So that all the particulate matter which is collected on the leaf. Yes, and keep it like this. Now we will be taking the slide and smearing that slide with the earbud. Children, you can see clearly what I am doing, and cover that with the cover slip. This is a clean cover slip. Now take that slide covered with the cover slip and observe it under the microscope, which was unwashed, and the particles which we can observe it. Yes, so beautifully you can see the number of particles are more as comparative to, we will be comparing it with the slide which is washed leaf. So here number of particles are more dense. Now this is the leaf which is washed one, and I am going to smear the slide with the help of and now cover it with the cover slip and observe it under the microscope. Adjust the microscope and watch the particles present on the leaf. Children, you can see this is the slide which contain the leaf which is washed one, and here the particles present are very few as compared to the unwashed leaf. Very beautiful it has come. First question is, what is air pollution? Air pollution is the contamination of air due to presence of substances in the atmosphere that are harmful to the health of the humans and other living beings, or cause damage to the climate or to the materials. There are many different types of air pollutants such as gases, particulates and biological molecules. Next question is, from your biology handbook, enlist the different air pollutant carbon monoxide, lead, nitrogen dioxide, particulate matter, its particulate matter, ground level ozone and sulfur dioxide. The third question is, do you know any disease which is caused by air pollution? There are so many diseases. Foremost very important diseases are respiratory and lung diseases, which include asthma attack, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, that is COPD, reduced lung function, pulmonary cancer, leukemia. It's a type of blood cancer. Leuka means white blood. There are white blood cells more in the blood. It is usually associated with the exposure to benzene vapors through the inhalation. When the benzene vapors are inhaled, then you suffer with such kind of disorder. The birth defect and the immune system defect, cardiovascular problems like heart disease and stroke. It is an increased risk, especially due to particulate matter. Neurobehavioral disorders, neurological problems and developmental deficit due to air toxins such as mercury, which is only volatile metal. Mercury is the volatile metal. Liver and other types of cancer caused by breathing carcinogenic volatile chemical. If you breathe the carcinogenic cancer producing chemical, then you suffer with liver and other type of cancer. The fourth question is, write note on electrostatic precipitator. What is electrostatic precipitator? It is defined as filtration device that is used to remove the fine particle like smoke, fine dust from the flowing gases. Means if you want to remove the smoke and fine dust from the gases, you use the electrostatic precipitator. It is commonly used device for air pollution control. They are used in industries like steel plant, thermal energy plants. Chemistry professor Frederick Gardner Cottle patented the first electrostatic precipitator. It is used to collect the sulfuric acid, mist and lead oxide fumes emitted from the various acid mixing and making and smelting activities. It's a short note, children, so you need to write so many points in your handbook. I am discussing so many points, so you can avoid some points, but if you write all the points, it will be better. Most widely used electrostatic precipitator is most widely used in the thermal power plant. It can also remove 99% particulate matter which are present in the exhaust of thermal power plant. The main principle behind its working is electrical charging of the dust particle and its collection on a differently charged platform. Fifth question, what is CNG? CNG is compressed natural gas. Natural gas is mainly made up of methane and very important fossil fuel because it is easy to transport through pipes. Natural gas is stored under high pressure as compressed natural gas. Sixth question, how to control air pollution? You have been learning it, but I have discussed here few points. Avoid using vehicles, prefer using public transport. It will reduce the emission of carbon monoxide and other harmful gases. Energy conservation, keep your lights and the buttons of the electrical switched off when not in use. The electrical appliances also should be checked regularly for its efficiency so as to decrease the use of electricity. Use of clean energy resources, we can use natural resources to produce electrical energy like solar energy, wind energy and etc. Seventh question is, how are air pollutants harmful to the plants? Dust pollution is of localized importance near roads, quarries, cement works and other industrial. Apart from screening out sunlight, dust on leaves blocks the stomata, lowers their conductance to CO2, simultaneously interfering with photosynthesis too. Polluting gases like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide enter leaves through stomata, following the same diffusion pathway as carbon dioxide and nitrogen dioxide dissolve in the cells and gives. Now we will be discussing the multiple choice questions. Carbon dioxide is called greenhouse gas because transparent to sunlight but traps the heat. The scrubber is used to remove the gases like sulfur dioxide and also nitrogen dioxide. Anyone you write? That is correct. Which of the following size of particulate matter causes greater harm to the human health? The one which is the smallest will cause the greatest harm to the human health. That is 2.5 micrometer in diameter. Which of the following device used for removing particulate matter in thermal power plant? That is electrostatic precipitator, which I discussed while you are asked to write the note on electrostatic precipitator. Children, the PDF of all the 7 questions answer is available at the description. So share my channel, like my channel and subscribe it if you have not subscribed. Thank you children for watching it.